All right, let's talk dental crowns. The big showdown, metal ceramic versus zirconia.
So, your dentist says you need a crown. Now you've got a choice to make.
Let's meet the contenders. You've got the classic PFM versus the modern all-ceramic zirconia.
Round 1. How's it gonna look? For a lot of us, this is a big deal.
And zirconia has a clear advantage here. Since there's no metal, you won't get that dark line.
Okay, round 2. Strength. You want to know which one is actually going to last, right?
So, a major study looked at this. Turns out their 5-year survival rates are almost a dead heat.
But wait, here's the twist. Zirconia crowns were actually 10 times more likely to fracture.
Now for round 3, the wear factor. Is a strong crown gonna damage your other teeth? And you know what? It's not about the material. It really all comes down to the surface finish.
See, a glazed surface can wear off, but a smooth, polished surface, that's what's gentle on your bite.
So, let's put it all together. Here's the final showdown and how they stack up.
So PFM is great if budget's a concern. Zirconia is your go-to for top-notch aesthetics.
And here's the good news. Take care of either one, and it can easily last over a decade.
Now you know the pros and cons. So what's most important for your smile? Go talk with your dentist.